Hi, welcome. This is going to be a video on how to fit the updated grille on your Mercedes CLS. So, tools for the job are a wrench with a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Obviously I've already done mine, but I'll just quickly show you where the bolts are and how to do it. So obviously pop your bonnet first. So you've got 3 bolts, 3 10mm bolts, one each side, one in the middle. So loosen them off once you've taken them out. If you get your flathead screwdriver, you can see, try and get the camera, down there you've got these little lugs. So you push your grille forward and lift these lugs up, because they've just got like a groove which is biting down in the grille. So you got again one each side, just about see that one, and then you've got one in the middle. You will be able to see it better when you're looking, because I can't get quite the right angle, but we'll grab that in a second. But obviously you get the gist of it. So that's literally a 5-minute job, and it just transforms the front of your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.